Most people think survival is expensive. That you need bunkers and gear worth thousands of dollars. That's a lie. If the power goes out tomorrow or state borders are closed, 90% of people will be helpless. But I have $10 in my hands. And right now, we're going to put together a kit that could save your life. By the way, the 15th item on my list is used by Navy SEALs, and here it costs mere cents. You'll never guess what it is until you see it in action. Item number 1, lighters. Fire means warmth and sterilization. BIC lighters or similar ones last longer than cheap turbo versions. Item number 2, tea light candles. 8 to 10 hours of light. But light is useless if you can't treat a wound in the dark. Item number 3, super glue. It's not just for broken mugs. In the field, super glue is the best way to quickly close a deep cut when there are no stitches available. Item number 4, alcohol wipes/antiseptic. The lightest and most effective multi-tool in your first aid kit. You can grab a whole box, usually 40 to 60 pieces, for the price of 1 cup of coffee. In specialized survival kits, they'll charge you 5 times more for the same thing. Item number 5, women's sanitary pads. Why would a man need them in the woods? They make the perfect sterile pressure dressing for heavy bleeding. They absorb more than any bandage. Medical needs are covered. But do you know which household item can replace an entire toolkit? Let's keep going. Item number 6, duct tape, and item number 7, zip ties. Zip ties plus duct tape equals the ability to build a temporary shelter out of branches and trash bags in 5 minutes. This is the holy trinity of prepping. Many people make the mistake of buying expensive water. Mistake. Look here. Item number 8, metal bottle or mug. The safest and most unlimited way to purify water. Forget chemicals. The only way to kill 100% of bacteria, viruses, and parasites is to bring water to a boil. In stores, you can often find steel bottles, make sure they don't have a plastic lining inside, or camping mugs. For $1.25, you get a tool that will last for years. Just fill it with water from a stream, place the bottle directly in the coals of a fire, and wait 5 to 10 minutes after it starts boiling. This is the cleanest method recommended by all survival experts. It's not just for water. In a mug like this, you can brew pine needle tea, a source of vitamin C, or cook hot food, which is critical for preventing hypothermia at night. Item number 9, aluminum foil. A fire reflector, a signaling device, or a way to bake food in the coals. Item number 10, large trash bags. This is your home in your pocket. Look for the thickest ones, black. By cutting a hole for your head, you get a 100% waterproof poncho that retains body heat. Stuff the bag with dry leaves, and you have an improvised mattress that saves you from hypothermia on cold ground. Use it to collect rainwater or as a solar still. Item number 11, safety pins. Tiny size, huge functionality. It's not just about fixing clothes. In an emergency, a safety pin can replace a fishing hook, help secure a splint for a fracture, or replace a torn strap on a heavy backpack. You can use them to sterilely secure a bandage if your hands are shaking from cold or stress. Item number 12, bar soap. Hygiene isn't a luxury, it's a matter of life. In field conditions, any minor scratch without proper cleaning can turn into sepsis within 48 hours. Soap is your main shield against infections. A dry bar of soap can be used as lubricant for tent zippers or tight mechanisms, and even as a repellent for certain types of insects if you rub it on your clothes. Item number 13, salt. The most underrated mineral in prepping. Without salt, your brain and muscles will stop working, electrolyte balance. It's necessary for preserving food, curing, and as an antiseptic for gargling. If you're sweating heavily from physical exertion, a pinch of salt in your water can save you from cramps that could immobilize you at the worst possible moment. Item number 14, petroleum jelly. Mix it with cotton, which we'll also take, and you'll get an eternal tinder that burns even in the rain. Item number 15. And here's our champion. A steel scouring pad for washing dishes. Why? If you press the terminals of a regular 9V battery against it, or even just rub it a certain way, it ignites instantly. This is your guaranteed fire in any storm. Physics at the service of survival. So, for $10 we've covered fire, light, water, medical supplies, and shelter. Now you have no excuses to be unprepared. If this list opened your eyes to the fact that safety is accessible to everyone, leave a like. Write in the comments which item from Dollar Tree I forgot. I'll pin the coolest tip to the top. Subscribe to the channel, we reveal the secrets of self-reliance and budget survival every week. Remember, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. See you in the next video.